Hi, it's Clíodhna Ní Aodáin from the Celtic Cello. I'm so excited to tell you about my new album, Celtic Rituals, which has just been released digitally worldwide. This album is dedicated to my parents, Marion and Bernard, who have given me everything. Thank you. Míle buíochas. So I'm just going to run through the track names. Some of them are in Irish, and I thought you might like to know how to pronounce them. And then afterwards I'll tell you a little bit about each of the tracks. So track 1, Fáinne, Geal, an Lé, Daybreak. Track 2, Mi Sgith, I am weary. 3, Idir, between worlds. 4, Cailleach na Gcrann, the Tree Witch. 5, bPúcai, Song of the Pookas. 6, Donnacha pale Donnacha. 7, Teacht in Aois, coming of age. 8, Solstice. 9, Doin, Dotie, Potie. 10, Ancestors. 11, Anam, Chara, soul friend. 12, Reconciliation. 13, Misty Mountain. 14, Ritual Fire. So I'll go back and tell you a little bit about each of the tracks. Number 1, Fáinne, Geal, an Lé. That means the bright ring of the day, and I just imagine the cusp of the sun peeping over the horizon. It's an ancient Irish song. 2, Mi Sgith, I am weary. This is originally from Scotland, and this wonderful melody tells the tale of a heartbroken fairy king who was forbidden to marry his mortal love and condemned to spend the rest of his days pulling the weeds from his fairy mound. 3, Idir, between worlds. This is inspired by an ancient Celtic term describing a transitional or transformative space that is neither one place nor another, but the space between the two, particularly apt for the world we currently live in. 4, Cailleach na Gcrann, the Tree Witch. The lyrics for this song are the names of Celtic trees sung in Irish. In the forest near my home there are a number of ancient trees that I love to visit and appreciate. 5, bPúcai, the song of the Pookas. This track is inspired by the playing of the great Martin Hayes. The tune is originally from the Blasket Islands, and the story goes that a fiddler heard the tune on the waves one night and sang it all night long until he had it memorised. 6, Donnacha, pale Donnacha. A sister's lament for her brother Donnacha, who was hanged unjustly, inspired by the singing of the great Donnachadh. 7, Teacht in Aois, coming of age. There are very few rituals in our Western society, and this piece marks the transition a young person would make from being a child to being an adult. 8, Solstice. I've always been fascinated by the summer and winter solstices, which are the turning points in the solar year. This piece is my vision of ritualistic possibilities. 9, Doin, Dotie, Potie, an old Irish love song. There's no real translation for the title, which is a term of endearment, so I added a family equivalent. The amazing sean-nós singer Celtic Rituals Album gave me this tune. 10, Ancestors. A blessing and an honouring of our ancestors who gave us the gift of life. 11, Anam, Chara, soul friend. A love song for my darling. 12, Reconciliation. An original composition expressing the forgiveness and acceptance that hopefully occurs after a difference in opinion. 13, Misty Mountain. This is imagined music from an envisioned ancient place. 14, Ritual Fire. Regardless of culture, all our ancestors would have participated in fire rituals, gathering round a fire to dance, to grieve, to sing and celebrate the cycle of life. Celtic Rituals is now available worldwide. Thank you.